If you want to share PDFs, videos, or other files with your members in GoHighLevel but don't know where to start, don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to upload PDFs and videos in GoHighLevel, so your members can get access to your content seamlessly, even if you are a complete beginner. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to get started and work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our easy tech tutorials. And check the link in the description for the 30 days free trial link and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check that out. Now let's get back to the video. So once you are inside your GoHighLevel account, just here you have to go on this membership, then just click on this like courses and go for the product here. Now this is my product, so I'm just opening this by clicking on this product or page. So next step is just uploading your files, the PDF or the videos. Let's say I want to upload in this lesson, so just opening this. So this is the place where you can upload the video for your tutorial or the course video. But if you want to upload the PDF, you have to just go scroll down and you can see there is an option for the add files. If you click on here, it will open this pop-up. Now just click on this and it will open this pop-up window for your local file, and you can navigate to your folder and you can upload the PDF, you can upload video or any formats of file. So just select that and click on this open. You can see it's uploading. Then if you click on this upload, it will be uploaded on your GoHighLevel membership page. So I'm not going to do that because this is not the relevant content for this lesson. Okay, then just go to this top of the page and click on this save to save the changes, and that's it. So basically this is how you can upload your PDF, you can upload your video on your GoHighLevel membership page. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what type of content you are sharing, and don't forget to check the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.